On 15th of January, Karbi Students' Association called for a press conference at Dipu over the controversy of sexual misconduct of Nissan Jain. Says Nissan Jain, son of Shri Mangal shop's owners at Dipu, practicing sex scandals in the name of business is not acceptable. Quick interventions of Karbi Autonomous Council and instant terminations of trading license to Shri Mangal must be done. During the press conference, KSA leaders said the trend of keeping women as a commodity by few wealthy businessmen at Karbi Anglong, this trend must be put to an end. Due to the Nissan Jain, proprietor of Shri Mangal Dipu, Karbi Anglong is morally degraded, and due to such activities prevalent at the district, women are oppressed, suppressed and looked down upon the society. KSA demands the arrest of the proprietor of Shri Mangal rather than apprehending Karbi students leaders, because these are the people who are degrading the society, using women as a commodity by degrading their honor and dignity. Therefore, KSA appeals Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and police to arrest Nissan Jain as early as possible and also to terminate the trading license of Shri Mangal.
The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and also the law and order, particularly the police of Karbi Anglong, need to take serious actions against those persons, because today, due to this such kind of persons, today our Karbi Anglong are morally degrading, and today the society, the women are facing lots of oppression and suppression because of this kind of situations happening here in Karbi Anglong. So, we the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to demand that instead of chasing those Karbi Student Association members, the Karbi Anglong police should arrest the proprietor of Shri Mangal as early as possible.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.